welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the Glossybox Summer Bag Limited Edition unboxing. So Glossybox was kind enough to send this out to me. If you guys have never heard of Glossybox, they are a monthly subscription box, and every once in a while they will throw out a limited edition box, or in this case, this is a bag. I always love their limited edition boxes. They're amazing. So I was super happy they were sending this out, and I love this bag because I'm getting ready to go on vacation, and what a perfect time to have a bag like this. If you are not a subscriber of Glossybox, meaning you don't get a box every month, you can pick this up for $35. Or if you are a subscriber, you can pick this up for $30. Now, if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, they are offering my followers the first month for $1 on a 12-month subscription. And you can also get $5 off this bag, so you would get it for $25 instead of $30. I will leave all of the details in the description box down below. While you guys are seeing this, I will be currently on vacation. So if you guys want to follow along with me on my vacation, I will be posting stuff on Instagram, on my Instagram stories. Head over to my Instagram and follow me there. And I'm excited to go on vacation. I'll be gone for a couple weeks, and I am ready to get out of town. So let's go ahead and open up this bag. I have to first say, I really like this bag. I like the color of it, and I also like that it's clear and see-through. When I'm packing and unpacking, it's so nice to know what's in what. And when you're on vacation, sometimes you store your stuff in these instead of getting them all out. So this will be nice because I can look down and see what's exactly in there. So this is what it will look like. It's see-through on both sides, which is awesome. So the details on this box, it says, summer doesn't officially start until June 20th, but we know it really kicks off after Memorial Day. Beaches and pools are opening, the sun is shining, and now you'll be fully prepared with our Glossybox Summer Beauty Bag. Keep your skin and hair hydrated while maintaining a beautiful summer look with these essentials wherever you go. Here we go. Let's start with this product. So this is from For All. This retails for $34. This is a skin repair cream. It is formulated with vitamin K for anti-aging. It has CBD for soothing and arnica for anti-inflammation. This cream is used by salon estheticians after peels and waxing because of its soothing and healing qualities. It's perfect for face and body, including sensitive skin, brightening under the eyes, and correcting hyperpigmentation. I love anything with arnica. This is what the tub of it looks like. Here, let me put something over it. The light is like shining. There you go. Can you see? It's kind of a yellow cream. It doesn't have a strong fragrance. It feels really soft. Kind of dries and sets down into the skin quite nicely. Okay, I like that. Let's move on to this. This is from Bumble and Bumble. This is a travel size, which is perfect for me right now. This is officially beach weather. Give your hair some breezy waves with this salt meets oil spray. Its mineral complex enhances your hair texture. Tropical oils and sea botanicals leave behind a soft, touchable finish. Plus, the UV filters help protect against sun damage. So the travel size of this is 17. The full size of this is 29. And the pro tip on how to use this, it says, after spraying onto hair, squeeze and twist strands, then let it air dry. I'm definitely taking this on vacation with me. I really like Bumble and Bumble, so I'm happy to try this. And it's perfect because I'm heading to the beach. So perfect timing for this box, I'm telling you right now. The next product we have here is from Dome Beauty. So this is a eye jewel in chocolate diamond. That's the shade. This retails for $25. The description on this, it says, this perfectly pigmented mousse-like shadow feels comfortable and lightweight on the lids, featuring a light, airy formula with a luscious whipped texture, moisturizes the lids, and allows for a non-sticky or heavy feeling. Definitely taking that on vacation with me. You guys know I'm all about these like liquid and cream eyeshadow. So this is really pretty. I'm excited to try this. That's really pretty. So the next product we have here is from After Spa. This is a 2-pack. And these are reusable rounds, which is perfect. These reusable rounds are a great sustainable alternative to disposable makeup removing wipes. Clinically tested and improved for all skin types, these rounds are made of the softest fabric and only require water to remove the toughest makeup. These retail for $10. The pro tip on this, it says, wash once before use. Afterwards, simply soak with warm water and squeeze. You can also wash these in the washing machine. They are washer machine safe. I'll be taking these on vacation with me. The next product we have here is a perfume. This is a roll-on perfume, which is perfect for my purse to throw on there for the plane ride. This is from Solly Notes. I think it's Solly Notes. I'm not sure. This is originating in Paris. This fragrance is irresistible with its tangy and compelling black currant, grapefruit, and fig leaf notes, amplifying the delicate fig tree flower and peony heart. Sandalwood and fig milk delicately complete the fragrance with a creamy, vibrant accord. You can pick this up on the Look Fantastic website. This retails for $10. So I'm going to open this up and try her out. So this is what it looks like. Really pretty. Ooh, that smells good. That smells so good. You can smell the black currant in it. I can't stop smelling it. Okay, so next up we have from Ico. This retails for $13. This is a travel size beach waterproof mascara. So whether you're splashing in the sea or enjoying the hot summer air, this mascara won't run or smudge. The innovative wave brush delivers instant volume and length to maximize your natural lashes, and the waterproof formula holds up curl even in the most stubborn straight lashes. Again, you can buy this on the Look Fantastic website. The wand does kind of have like a little bit of a curve on it. Look at that. That's what the wand looks like. I'm definitely taking this because I will be getting in the water, the beach, the pool, all of it. So this will definitely be going on vacation with me. Absolutely. I think so far I'm taking all these products. Then we have from Margaret Dabbs London. This is a foot lotion, and this is the deluxe mini size. This is a 45 milliliter, so this is a 0.52 ounces. The details on this, it says sandal season is here, so it's time to get your heels in check. This award-winning foot lotion's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and hydrating properties help with common foot complaints, including dehydrated skin, hard skin buildup, and even aching feet. Yes. Again, taking that on vacation with me. I can't get over that perfume though. Perfume kind of reminds me of the Black Raspberry Vanilla from Bath & Body Works. It kind of has that similar scent to it, but it's stronger. It has more things going on with it versus just the Black Raspberry Vanilla. You know what I'm talking about? But it has that base note. Oh, it smells so good. I can't get over how much that smells so good. And this foot cream smells so good. It kind of has like a citrusy type of scent. I don't know. It smells really good. Let's move on to the exfoliating body wash. This is from Codex Beauty. You can also pick this up on the Look Fantastic website. This is a deluxe size mini, and this retails for $10. The full size is $45. The deluxe size mini is 1.2 ounces, which is 36 mils. It has this little tab right here where you click it off and then it will open. So I'm going to keep it closed so it stays intact for traveling. But this is a exfoliating wash. This cleanser, creamer, and gently exfoliating texture in the best way to wash your face after a day in the sun. The elderflower hydrosol gently tones. Its milk thistle oil soothes and reduces redness. And the castor and safflower oil minimize the appearance of large pores and increased hydration. So this is from Codex Beauty. We also have another product from Codex Beauty. This is a hydrating superfood. So I'm assuming that you put this on after you exfoliate with the cleanser. So this retails for $15 for the 20 milliliter. The full size is 75 milliliter and it's $50. So it's important to follow your cleansing routine with a moisturizer. This rich restoring cream made with Codex's patent Bioplex formula rehydrates your skin, and it's clinically proven to soften, smooth, and promote a more even skin tone. You can also pick this up on the Look Fantastic website. I like these products. They did a good job putting these together. Like, this is exactly what I need to go on vacation. You kind of get everything you need all in one. And the summer bag instead of a box, all of it was really, really well thought out. Well done, Glossybox. We'll definitely be throwing this in my bag and taking it with me and trying out all these products. Again, thank you to Glossybox for sending this over. If you guys are interested in getting your own bag, maybe you're going on vacation and these are products that you need, I will leave a link to it in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in today's video. Thank you again to Glossybox for sending over this bag. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you. Bye.